Hi there, it's Lynn Chittick, founder of the Torch, the organization for realizing change in humanity. We are a global organization working on peace, health, environment, and technology. And I want to wish everyone in Pakistan happy Independence Day. I am involved with Pakistan in such a deep way because the fulfillment of the first 4 ambassadors in these areas of peace, the area of health, the area of technology, and the area of environment. The team there is just tremendous. It's been really beautiful working with Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. So I wish you an amazing Independence Day. I love you so much. Pakistan means the Pure Land. I pray for Pakistan to be fully engaged in this new direction with Imran Khan and all that there is to look forward to in this life, to have good relationships. I'm from the United States of America, and you know, the discrepancies between all religions needs to really be seen as the gifts instead of the discrepancies. We need to look towards each other and not against each other. We need to look towards learning from each other and not feeling like we are the other. I bless you this day, all of this day, and I wish you an amazing 71st year. Have a blessed day. Peace and best.